All I want is money. 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 Took the call on. All I want is money. Tell my boss dog, I'm not dropping offerings. All I want is money. 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 What you want, money? Tell this boy it's money. Nigga hustle money. Pastor lying money. Bitches fucking money. Everybody money. Niggas talking money. Now they want the money.
Keeping a day and night praying for the blessings for money.
Money.
I've been working all night, I've been praying for blessings for money.
Money.
Living my life, praying for blessings because you can't afford me now.
I didn't go see you now.
Working for praying for money. Every night I'm working for money. I've been praying for grace for money. Like a man that they keep my job. You know it's this how we do it for money. My life is not easy, but looking for money. Back in the days when I pray for money, all I want is money. I need no money. No praise for.
All I want is money. All I want is money. Yeah. I see niggas, they be coming. Niggas, yeah, they be talking. But if you not bringing money on the table, nigga, I'm not listening. I pass me the mic, yeah. That's what I do, I spit it. I don't gossip. If it's not M-O-N-E-Y, that's the money. What you want, I got it. She say she love me, fuck it. She's coming, fuck the money. So I take back alone. These niggas don't understand that I'm the king of Kong. I beat my hand on my chest. Call me King Kong. Money on my mind every second. Money on my mind every second. Money
On my mind every second.
Money.
I've been trying to get everything so figures. Money, bitch is not over, but I'm not gonna continue.
I swear, who are you? Who is this guy?
Guy.